Responsibilities in each stage. The Prophet described this stage of upbringing as follows. The child is an advisor for the next 7 years. At the age of 14, 15 and up, a Muslim child is expected to have become a responsible teenager. Therefore, the Prophet says that the parents should now treat him or her more like a friend than a slave. At this stage, the parents should guide and help their teenage child in make correct decisions for themselves. In mid and late teens, the child has to start the specific training or education for the career that he intends to pursue so that he may soon stand on his own feet. It is also the time when the child is nearing the age of marriage. At the age of 21, the parents' responsibility towards their children comes to an end. If anyone brings up his children based on Islamic values, that child surely will be the apple of the parents' eyes and the delight of their hearts. And it is this child who, in his turn, may be hoped to fulfill his obligations towards his parents.